Guys, I am sharing my screen. Actually, we have discussed few basic things and one of the concept known as SDLC models. Okay. Today we'll see about another important thing, SDLC models. SDLC lifecycle we have covered previously. Now we'll go for SDLC models. SDLC stands for Software Development Lifecycle. In this, having two models. One is incremental model and second one is sequential model. Okay, SDLC models is divided into two types. One is sequential model and second one is incremental model. Okay, it is divided into two types. One is sequential and second one is incremental. Are you able to see my screen, right?
Yeah.
Coming to sequential model, again it is divided into two types. One is waterfall model. Under sequential, it is divided into two types. One is waterfall and second one is V model. Okay, coming to incremental model, it is divided into five types. Okay, that five types we'll see. First one is RAD model. Second one is prototype model. Third one is spiral model. Fourth one is iterative model. And fifth one is agile model. Okay, total how many is there models? Total we are having 7 models. Okay, here it is 2 and here it is 5. Total 2. Clear? Out of 7, most popular one is agile model. If you learn these 6 models, that 6 models are not, that is your wish, but you will face an interview questions on this. Okay, we use real time also in agile model only. Clear?
Yes,
okay.
Sir.
Yes, please. Someone is speaking.
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Sorry, Jafran, can you come again?
Yeah, it's clear.
Yeah. Okay, fine. Okay. Anyhow, we'll discuss about all 7 models. Out of 7 models, it is very important. Okay. Coming to first model. See guys, these 2 models is suitable for small size applications, and these 5 models is suitable for big size applications. Okay, sequential model is suitable for small size, and iterative incremental model is suitable for big size. Okay, coming to waterfall model. Okay, here first point. Okay, waterfall model is same as SDLC process. Okay, why I am saying SDLC process? In each and every model, we have to follow this 7 phases. Okay, so that's the reason I am covering this as a same as SDLC process. Okay, and second point is whenever requirements are very clear, whenever requirements is very clear, and if small size, and if it is a small size project, waterfall model into waterfall waterfall model, all implementation activities will be carried out step by step. What this point is saying is, okay, we cannot go directly to coding or testing. Okay, in waterfall model, each and every step after completing this requirement gathering, it have to complete analysis. After that, it have to complete design. Then only we can go for coding part. Okay, that this step is explaining that one. Whenever each and every requirement is clear, then only it have to be carried out step by step. Okay. Coming to third point, in this model, validation is enough. Validation is enough. Verification is not required. Here we are using two different words. What is verification and what is validation? Okay, verification is nothing but we are building the project, whether correct or not. That is known as verification. Means before building the project and after building the project. Verification is nothing but before building the project. Coming to validation after building the project. Guys, understanding what I am saying? Suppose you have a one site. You have one site. Okay. You have one proper design. Okay. In this site, I have to build a home. Okay, with this and this budget. Okay, these are the your prerequisites before building. Yes or no? Before building, you have some prerequisites. Okay, this is my site. I have this much of amount. I am giving this much of plan. Okay, you are giving this much. Okay, on that site. Okay, how they are building after that, after this all prerequisite, how they are building, that is called as validation. Verification and validation, got it right? Sudhir?
Sir, Rajesh, can you repeat one more time?
Verification is nothing but before building an application. Coming to validation after building an application. Suppose you are planning to build an home. Okay, think you are having some site. Okay, on that site you have to plan. You are planning to build an home. Sudhir, understanding?
Yeah.
Okay. It is not an home. It is just a site. Okay. On that site you are planning. Okay.
Yeah.
That is verification. Coming to validation, after building the home, how it will be. That is called as validation. Verification and validation, got it right?
Yes.
Verification is nothing but before building a home. Validation is nothing but after building a home. Clear? Got it?
Yes, Rajesh.
Yeah, I will write it down here anyhow. Verification and validation. Verification. It is a process of verifying we are developing the project is right or not. Yes or no? You want to go to site whether your prerequisites are matching or not as per your expectation. Okay, you are verifying whether they are developing correctly or not. Validation is nothing but, what is validation? Developed. After developed, how your requirement. Clear? Got it?
Yes, sir.
It's a process of verify. It's developed. Instead of developing, it have to be developed. Okay, before developing and after developing. Got it? Clear?
Yeah, clear.
Coming
Excuse
to
me, sir. Excuse me. The verification and the validation is not the same thing.
sorry,
The
verification.
yeah, and validation that's gonna be the same thing.
No, not same thing. It is a different thing. Different thing. Okay. How
Okay,
you are
okay.
here it is developing. Here it is developed.
All right. I got it, sir. Okay.
Yeah. Coming to waterfall, what are the advantages and what are the disadvantages? We'll see now. Coming to advantages, it is suitable for small size applications. And second one is easy to understand. Third one is easy to manage. That's it. Coming to disadvantages. It is not suitable for big size applications. We have covered here only. What are the supporting models are there for big size applications? We have 5 models. For RAD model, prototype model, spiral model, iterative and agile model. So that's the reason it is not supporting. V model and waterfall model, it supports for only small size applications. Once an application in the development or testing phase, it is very difficult to go back and change the requirements. See guys, what this is saying, if I am in testing phase, okay, unfortunately the developer has been added new feature in coding, okay, what do you have written? You have prepared test scenarios and test cases, each and everything. After that you are doing testing. Okay, unfortunately the developer has changed the code, okay, without informing you, okay. Then what are the changes you have to do? We have to prepare test scenarios, test cases, and each and everything we have to test an application. I am correct, right?
Yeah.
So that's the reason it is one of the disadvantage to go back and change the requirement. Okay, once the requirement is completed, then only we have to proceed for testing. Clear? Any doubts on waterfall model?
Yes.
Okay, we'll go for second model, that is V model. Okay, V model is also known as verification and the validation. It is also known as verification and validation. Coming to second point, this model is suitable for small size application. Whenever or where the requirements are not clear and making a chances of making mistakes while developing an application. I will explain, guys. First, write it down. I will explain. This model is suitable for small size application where the requirements are not clear and making the mistakes while implementing the application to reduce the stage. To reduce the stage, software testing is applied. See, guys, what this point is saying, if developer is not clear on the application, okay, maybe a chance he may make a mistake on that requirement. At the stage, the software testing, we have to test an application parallelly with the development team. Okay, to identify the issues parallelly by sitting with developers and fixing the issues. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Coming to third point. In V model, based on requirements, based on requirements, development team and testing team. Testing team will start the work parallelly. Okay, why we can start the work parallelly when the what is parallel means we can start one by one requirements. Once the requirement is completed by the developer, same thing the developer will deploy the build into QA server so that we can test parallelly with the development team. Okay, so we can reduce time. In this model, test engineer no need to wait for 100% coding. In this model, test engineer no need to wait for 100% of coding. Clear? We can test one by one requirements. Once one requirement is completed by developer, same thing the developer will deploy build into QA server. At the same time, we can do testing. Clear, guys? Any
Yes,
doubts?
sir, it's clear. Yes.
Clear.
Yeah. Coming to advantage, it is suitable for small size applications. Coming to second one, simple and easy to use. Coming to third one, it saves a lot of time. Why? Because both development team and testing team working parallel. So we can reduce time. It saves the lot of time. Coming to disadvantages, it is not suitable for big size applications as well. Okay, coming to second one, in the middle of the project, if we change any requirements, both development and testing documents need to be updated. Okay. See guys, if customer is changing the requirement, I don't want this requirement. So at that time, both developer and the testing persons, we have to change the documents. Yes or no? So that is very, very disadvantage, big disadvantage. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Any doubt?
No.
I will share this document. Why it is not? I am unable to save. No, I am unable to save. At the end of the section, I will try once. Okay. Just to give me 1 minute. I have got some messages. Let me check. One second, guys. Okay. What is our third model? Our third model is RAD model. Okay, our third model is RAD model. What is RAD stands for? RAD is nothing but Rapid Application Development. RAD stands for Rapid Application Development. Okay, due to lack of time, without following any documents, or we can say within a short period of time. Within a short period of time to complete or within a short period of time to complete the implementation activities. We can go for RAD model. Okay, why we are going for RAD model? Within a short period of time, we can go for RAD model. In this model, we no need to prepare test scenarios, test cases. Okay, by manually, we will check an application. If any issues is observed, we will post the defects to the developer and will sign off. If maybe client asks test scenarios and test cases, then this model is not recommended. Okay, in this model, our third point is, in this model, module by module will be developed up to end of the project. Okay, what is this module by module means? I will show you guys. Are you able to see my application?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
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 See, this is an one module. Expenses is an one module. My receipts is an one module. My transactions is an one module. Okay. After completing my receipts module only, we have to go for another module. Okay. Guys, understanding?
Yeah, by one, right?
Yes, yes. By each one by one.
Okay.
Okay. This is also known as one of the mini project. Okay, we cannot develop all at a time. Okay, a few developers cannot work for another module. Okay, once that module is completed, then only we can go for another module.
Okay.
Okay, it is also known as mini project. Okay, to develop mini project, separate team will be scheduled and they will implement the activities and parallelly Parallelly, we'll combine. We'll combine module by module. Okay, what this point is saying, once module by module is completed by the developer, those all modules will be combined together and they will deploy into one of the project. Okay, once this all we suppose we are having 10 developers now. Okay, all 10 numbers will work for expenses module. After this module is completed, all 10 numbers will work for my receipts module. After completing the my receipts, it go for my transactions module. Okay, once all modules has been completed, then our technical expert will merge together. Okay, to combine as a one of the project. Okay, it won't make sense, right? One by one module, it won't make sense. Everybody have to use all features in one application. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
That thing will implemented by one of the technical expert. Okay, that is known as each and every module will combine and they will merge together. Okay, that is known as RAD model. Clear?
Yes, sir, it is.
I think I am unable to send the notes. Better to write a note. I will try in another way to send. Okay, write a note anyhow. Once you have done, please let me know. We'll start. Another advantages and disadvantages for this. Guys, market is too good. Okay, grab the jobs. Okay, giving high packages. When compared to development, testers is getting high packages. Once you have done the notes, from where onwards you have to write, guys. Anyhow, I will share, but I am not able to share. Why, I don't know.
From SDLC models, it is divided into two types. And
from here, you can write, or you can take snaps, which is best you can do. Anyhow, I will share a note also. No worries. I will share and I will try to send. Once you have done, please let me know.
I think maybe after completing the class, it's possible. I think for sharing.
No, I am unable to share. I don't know why.
Can you able to copy and paste it in the chat?
No, I have done right. Same thing.
Yeah, that is what.
No, it's not working.
I think Notepad is pending now. That is the reason. You have to complete all class and after you save this class after last.
Okay. Coming to advantages, we'll see. It is suitable for big size applications. Why? Because it is an incremental model. Clear, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It is suitable for just for 1 week. Some nodes will be after second week onwards. You will see real-time projects. Okay, these all things we won't use. Okay, every day. Okay, but for interview purpose, we have to know these things. This V model, waterfall model, we won't use. Only we use.
These are only for interviews, huh?
This is all for only interviews.
Okay. Interview
Okay.
preparation.
Only we will use Agile model.
Okay.
Okay. These 6 models we are not using. Okay. Only this model we are using. But for interviews, we have to know this 6 models also. Got my point?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah. Disadvantages is not suitable for small size applications. Coming to second one, it is very expensive. It is very expensive model because why, guys? Because
Because
huge
we have
resources
to,
required. Because huge resources required, right? All 10 numbers is working on same module. After completing that module only, we
then
can
yeah,
proceed.
they will go for second module.
Yeah, that is the one of the biggest disadvantage. Clear? Any doubts?
No, sir.
No, all good.
Yeah. Coming to fourth model. Fourth model, prototype model. Okay. Here, due to lack of requirements, see guys, in this model, instead of developing actual application, the developers will design one dummy application. Okay. Okay, once we have done, I will discuss. First write a make a note. Due to lack of time or lack of requirements, what I am doing, due to lack of requirements, due to lack of requirements to develop the application, we can go for prototype model. Why we are going for prototype model, guys?
Due to lack of requirements.
Lack of requirements is nothing but we are having the pending requirements. Okay, in this model, instead of developing actual application, we will develop a dummy application.
Like similar application.
One second. So guys, in this, instead of developing actual application, the developers will design dummy application. Why? Because they are having requirements are lag Okay, instead of developing in actual application, they will show the client for client as a dummy application. Instead of developing actual application, they will design a dummy application and they will show to the customer.
With similar requirements, right?
Yes, similar requirements, but not as client expected. They will
Okay.
show some dummy. Do you clear, right? What is dummy and what is real?
Okay.
Yeah.
Dummy is nothing but iPhone 14 Pro is there, which is branded one. Now you can go to the market and you can find the dummy mobile also.
Right.
iPhone 14, it is having 1.5 lakh. But in few of the markets by smuggles, you can get at 40 or 50,000. It looks same only, but it is not as expected. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yeah. Once it's accepted, why they are providing dummy means to save the time. Okay, if customer is accepted, then same thing they will develop in actual application. It is accepted by the customer. Once it is accepted by the customer, then based on the requirements, all implementation activities carried out one by one. Yes or no? It will carry same thing one by one, step by step procedure. Okay, clear?
Okay.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
If customer is not satisfied, again he have to change the requirements. Customer is not satisfied, again we have to change the requirements. Okay, up to customer accepted, we have to change the requirements. Got it right? What is prototype model? Instead of developing actual application, we have to develop a dummy application because we are having few lag of requirements. Okay, once it is accepted by the customer, we have to implement same process for the actual application step by step. Once it is not satisfied by the customer, we have to change the requirements as per customer requirement. Clear? Up to customer has satisfied, then we have to stop there. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Coming to advantages, it is suitable for big size applications. Second one, if customer is confusing in the requirement, based on sample, we can continue implementation. Okay, if customer is having any doubts, we can proceed with dummy application up to that time. That is an advantage. Coming to disadvantages, it is not suitable for Small, it is not suitable. We have to write. It is not suitable for small size applications. Coming to second point, it is a time taking process. Why it is a time taking process, guys? Because we have to create a dummy application. After that, same thing we have to implement in
What's that?
regular application.
Okay.
So here we are performing two activities. One is performing on dummy application, and second thing we are performing on actual application. Okay, so that's the reason it is a time taking process. Clear? Any doubts up to here? Anyone?
No, sir.
Okay, can we stop here?
Okay.
Yeah, we can cover remaining.
Yeah, we can cover remaining tomorrow. Okay, let me try to send one chart.
Can you be able to save this file and then send as a attachment here?
Here attachment is also not available in mail.
I think it is available in chat.
No,
me.
no. For me it is not coming. For whom?
So here.
Sudhir.
Let me send one like file. Let me-
Just send me hi. No guys, I cannot send. Yeah, why? I can send, but it is a client system. So that's the reason I am facing. Let me
Okay.
check. Are you able to understand? This is a client system.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me check. I will try. Okay. Anyhow, I will send by tomorrow or day after tomorrow. I will send. Okay. Complete notes. Okay. No need to worry.
Sure.
Okay. Any doubts, guys, from past 3 or 4 sections? If you are facing any doubts, please ask me. 5 to 10 minutes. After that, we'll go off. We'll stop the section. You no need to worry, guys. Up to 8 to 10 years, you can put whatever I am saying. You can put up to 8 to 10 years. Okay, I will cover each and every word, each and every sentence, each and every concept. I will cover. Not only manual testing. If you are having any doubts on automation like Selenium or load runner or JMeter or mobile testing or API testing, you can ask. Okay.
Okay.
Actually, I am working on all the platforms. Are you able to see? This is an JMeter. This is an API. You are each and every day I am going to perform all the activities.
Okay.
Okay. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Okay. You no need to worry about that. Clear?
Okay,
Sure.
Yeah. Any doubts means you can ask.
Nope.
Okay, then we'll discuss. We'll see you tomorrow, guys. Bye bye.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.